So, the wait is almost over. Huawei has finally confirmed that the Pura 80 series will launch next month, but things might not go exactly as expected. While the official unveiling is likely to happen by late June, fresh leaks suggest that the actual first sale of these phones might not happen until July. Yeah, even though the launch is right around the corner, you might need a little more patience before you can actually get your hands on one. Now, one tipster has even mentioned a specific date, June 10th, but to be honest, Huawei hasn't officially locked anything in yet. No posters, no teaser video, just a confirmed launch window. So a proper reveal event in late June sounds pretty realistic at this point. And here's the interesting bit. This slight delay between launch and sales might not be random. Some analysts believe it could be a strategic move. Huawei might be pacing things to stay ahead of US trade scrutiny, especially with all eyes on the Kirin chips inside these new models. Now let's talk models. According to a reliable Weibo source, the Pura 80 series will come in 4 variants, and their code names have just been revealed. The standard Pura 80 is tagged as H. The Pura 80 Pro goes by L. The Pro Plus is marked LP, and the Ultra version is listed as LU. So yeah, pretty much the same lineup structure as the previous generation. But there's some discussion going on among fans. Many are hoping that Huawei brings back an Art Edition like they did with the P60 series, but this time they want it paired with a Kirin 5G processor for that complete flagship experience. As for the specs, not much has leaked in detail yet, but a few upgrades are already creating buzz. Reports say that Huawei might replace the Sony IMX989 with a new 50 megapixel SmartSense sensor on the Pura 80 Pro, a pretty bold shift if true. Meanwhile, the Ultra variant might feature some notable camera upgrades too, possibly a dual periscope lens setup, which could take zoom photography to a whole new level. And in terms of design, we might see a fresh approach, especially on the Ultra model, while the standard version could retain the classic look from last year. And it's not just smartphones. The Pura 80 launch could be part of a bigger announcement. We might also see the arrival of the Huawei Watch 5 series, new MatePad tablets, and even updated earbuds, all in the same launch window. So overall, this launch feels more like a complete ecosystem refresh rather than just a phone release. As we get closer to June, more details are likely to surface, and I'll keep you updated with everything that drops. Let me know in the comments, which Pura 80 model are you looking forward to, and do you think Huawei's slightly delayed sales strategy makes sense? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Huawei updates, and I'll see you in the next one.